I just recently purchased the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I already own the Action 5 Pro, and I'm going to show you this kit that I got for the Pocket 3. This is the creator kit, and I may show a few things on the Action 5 just to compare and contrast. First thing is, this kit is definitely smaller than the kit I got for my Action 5. The Action 5, you can see, a lot larger there. But there's definitely a few more accessories that came. This is the Adventure combo. You don't get the case with this one though, but with the Creator combo on the Pocket 3, you do get this case. Everything that I'm going to show you right here is what comes in that kit. The camera and all the accessories that it comes with do fit in this case. It is a little tight. I did have it zipped up. I unzipped it for you, but it is just a little bit tight. Not too bad though. The camera is over here on this side, and it's got this hard case that it will fit in where you just put your screen facing down. Just like that. I've got some other accessories too coming that I'm going to be reviewing. You get this small adapter here that goes onto the bottom, which gives you a 1/4-20 right there, and that allows you to have your charging port coming out the side. You get an extra battery. This one is a battery plus the 1/4-20. This one is not a battery, so don't think that that's an extra battery. So you get this one right here, and you can charge this and put it on the bottom. You get one microphone, one DJI Mic 2. I already own 2 additional of these, which are in my Action 5 Pro kit. You get the small tripod. And I do like this because it's very small and portable. And I purchased this exact same one to use on the Action 5 rather than having a very large tripod. I like this one better because it's very small. You get a charge cord, but you do not get a charger. So keep that in mind. You know, it's everything like I've said before, go into that USB-C, but you will not get a charger. But I've already got a charger that I keep in my kit for the Action 5. I'm not going to go into all the details of this camera. There's other videos that do that, but I will show you that camera compared to the Action 5 just in the sheer size of it. So it is definitely tiny. The Action 5 is small, but this is how most action cameras look anyways. But for what this camera can do, this thing is amazing, and the size is just very tiny. And it is a very nice looking camera though. I've got an event to DJ tonight, so I'm going to be using both of these cameras. I wanted to at least introduce the Pocket 3 before I use it tonight, and maybe I'll get some good footage. Check the channel for that coming soon. I've got some accessories, like I mentioned, coming for this already. A few little things that I noticed. I want to get a screen protector, and I want to get a different base than this one. And I've got a case and some other stuff that will adapt to this case right here. Hopefully this information was useful or helpful for you. And if it was, please subscribe and share. And that's to the point.